Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your account using Calendly application. Calendly website. So first of all, and of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're gonna use to follow this tutorial steps. For me, I'm using here Brave. Of course, for you, you can use other browsers such as Google Chrome, Opera, Brave like me, Microsoft's Edge, or any other browser you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go open of course your browser, then go here to the URL, type calendly.com, then hit the enter button. Of course that will actually takes you into Calendly website. Of course, if it's your first time using the website, that will not be your main screen, home screen like me. You'll have another screen to create your account first. So all you need to do, just go and click on that and follow the steps to create your account. Then that will actually be your home and main screen. So all you need to do from here, just go to your icon account here, click on that, then click add account settings. Here of course you would like to be on this profile sections on the account settings, and all you need to do from here is just scroll down to the bottom of this screen. So let's just scroll down, and of course we will have here the option of delete account. So all you need to do, just go and click on that, and as you can see here, you can transfer ownership and delete your account. You can keep your account and leave organization, or you can delete your account and disable organization. So of course, if you want to read the benefits of any of that, read them, then choose whatever you want and click at next, and you will be actually good to go. So that's all actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.